Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, showcasing Mach 10 capable RHH-150 hypersonic swarm UCAV at Aero India 2025. Bangalore-based aerospace company Q Alpha Aerospace is set to showcase a scaled-down model of its groundbreaking RHH-150 air-breathing, variable-range, multi-role agile hypersonic swarm UCAV at the upcoming Aero India 2025 in Bangalore. This unveiling marks a significant milestone in the evolution of unmanned combat aerial vehicles, highlighting advancements in hypersonic propulsion, swarm capability, and multi-role versatility. The RHH-150 represents the pinnacle of modern aerial combat technology, designed for reconnaissance, strike, and support roles. It combines hypersonic speeds with unparalleled agility and advanced AI system to deliver mission-critical capabilities across diverse operational scenarios. Next, TRAJN, Trazon, a new contender for India's towed gun system tender. The L&T Nexter Consortium has introduced the TRAJN Trazon, a state-of-the-art 155 mm 52 cal towed howitzer, which is now a significant contender in the Indian Army's towed gun system TGS tender. This development comes at a time when the Indian military is looking to bolster its artillery capabilities with modern, reliable, and local manufactured system. Trazon is based on the renowned Kaiser ordnance, bringing to the table the combat-proven artillery technology currently used by the French Army and several other forces globally. This howitzer has undergone rigorous evaluation by the Indian Army, involving extensive firing and mobility trials across various terrains and under diverse climatic conditions. The system has been tested for its ability to deliver enhanced firepower, showcasing quicker response times, longer range, and improved accuracy, which are critical in modern warfare scenarios. Next, phasing out Dragunov rifles for SACO TRG-42. In a significant modernization push, the Indian Army has started replacing its long-serving Dragunov sniper rifles with the more advanced SACO TRG-42, chambered in 3.338 Lapua Magnum. This transition marks a strategic upgrade in the Army's sniper capabilities, aiming to enhance precision, range, and effectiveness in various operational theaters. The Dragunov SVD, a semi-automatic rifle of Soviet origin, has been a mainstay of the Indian Army's sniper units since its induction in the mid-1980s. Known for its reliability and ease of use, it has served through numerous conflicts, providing Indian snipers with a dependable weapon. However, with evolving combat scenarios and the need for greater accuracy and range, the Indian Army has decided to move towards the SACO TRG-42. Next, Airbus welcomes India as observer in Eurodrone program. In a significant development that underscores India's growing interest in fostering defense ties with Europe, Airbus has welcomed India as an observer to the Eurodrone program. This move, facilitated by the Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation, signals India's intent to explore potential collaboration with Europe in advanced defense technology projects. The development was first reported by IDRW. India's observer status in the Europe program facilitated by the Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation signifies a step towards potentially deeper collaboration. Next. Trump likely to elevate India to NATO equivalent status for weapons procurement. In a move that could significantly reshape India's defense capabilities, President Donald Trump is reportedly considering elevating India's status to be on par with NATO country members for the procurement of American weapons, according to defense analyst Ramesh Rajan. This elevation would potentially allow India to access top-tier U.S. military hardware without the stringent scrutiny that has previously characterized such transactions. If Trump follows through with this policy, India would enjoy the same privilege in arms procurement as NATO allies, which could bypass many of the bureaucratic hurdles and licensing delays currently in place. Next. Unveiling Surge, a game-changing in-house drone jammer. In an exciting development for the defense sector, Armory, a burgeoning defense technology startup, is set to showcase its latest innovation, the Surge, S-U-R-G-E, at an upcoming Defense Technology Expo. This new system represents Armory's foray into counter-drone technology specifically designed to mitigate threats posed by unauthorized drones in sensitive areas. Surge, developed entirely in-house by Armory's team of engineers and defense technology experts, promises to be a significant addition to the arsenal of counter-unmanned aerial vehicle solutions. This drone jammer is engineered to detect, track, and neutralize rogue drones efficiently, offering a blend of advanced detection capabilities and precise signal disruptions. Next, mules or AI-enabled robots. In a significant stride towards technological advancement, the Indian Army is in the process of transitioning from traditional pack mules to AI-powered robotic counterparts. This shift, highlighted by the display of the new multi-utility legged equipment, that is mule robots at the Army Day Parade in Pune on January 15, marks a pivotal moment in the Army's modernization efforts, particularly in logistics within inhospitable terrains like the Himalayas. Next, DRDO breaches 120 seconds of scramjet engine. DRDO, a Hyderabad-based Laboratory of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDL, has taken the initiative in developing a long-duration supersonic combustion ramjet or scramjet-powered hypersonic technology. DRDL recently developed these technologies and demonstrating a cutting-edge active cooled scramjet combustor ground test for 120 seconds for the first time in India. The successful ground test marks a crucial milestone in developing next-generation hypersonic missiles.